Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Nasim, and today I'm going to talk about the e-commerce view item event, and then I will show you how you can set up the view item event tracking for your Shopify e-commerce store, and you will see that event on your Google Analytics dashboard. First of all, let's discuss why you need that event and why this is very important for your e-commerce business. First of all, what is view item event? View item event when someone visit your website and when someone visit your specific product page like this. This is a e-commerce web store and you can see this is one product. So that means this is a view item or view content event. So in this event you can see this is product title, product price, description, add to cart, view buy it now button, and many more details about this product. And we need to track this event as a view item event and send it to our Google Analytics dashboard, because in future we want to track that visitor and we can send this product link through our custom audience ad. So we can easily make the custom audience based on the customer who actually visit this product but didn't purchase yet. That's why this important event is need to track perfectly. We need to send this product title, product price, product description, and whatever recommended information the Google Analytics need. And then we can easily remarket on them. Perfect. Now you already know why this important event we need to track. And this event actually need to set up perfectly, because without getting more and accurate event, we are not able to make the custom or remarketing audience with that event. So that's why this is very crucial for us to set up perfectly. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can set that event through Google Tag Manager. So that means we will use Google Tag Manager and we will configure all the event manually. So let me show you. And before starting that process, I just want to give you a good news. If you want to set up that all the e-commerce event for Google Analytics for your Shopify store, you don't need to waste your time for spending money on other people expert. You can check out my product that I already published. You can make that analytics setup in one click. Just you need to import that GTM container in your store, and all the process I already show on that product. So you can try with this. But don't worry, if you want to learn it very carefully, then stay with me. Let me show you how you can configure and send that event for your commerce store. First, go to my YouTube channel and go to playlist section and watch this playlist that I already made for you. So at the beginning, you can watch this whole tutorial series that I am showing you step by step, and you can subscribe to my channel for seeing my upcoming video series, because this is a serious tutorial. Okay, so let's back on the Google Tag Manager and go to preview mode, and then we need to connect our website. And here you can see you need to input, of course, your website. I am inputting my one and hit connect button, and the website is connected. And go to the catalog sections and go to one product. So this is actually the view item events. So if I go to the tag assistant, and this is the view item event we have got in our Google Tag Assistant, and in the data layer section we have that information that we need to send to our analytics dashboard. And I already made, so now we need to set up the tag. So go to new and set up Google Analytics event, and we need to add our measurement ID. Just add here, and then the event name. So event name we can copy it from here and we can paste it here again, and this is the event parameter. Okay, so we need to add many parameter. Okay, so for your help I have made that parameter which is this all. So we need to add the event ID, we need to send the event item, we need to send the price, we need to set up the item variant, all this event we need to send. So I just want to show you one. First, for example, just we need to send this event ID. Okay, so what we need, ID like this. We can send item name like this. Okay, and we need to make the variable. Of course you need to make sure you have that white check mark. Okay, so that's mean the parameter name is accurate. Then hit the plus and make a event variables, which is data layer variable, and input that code that I have made here. And if you want to get that code, then you can visit my store and you can purchase that one. Okay, so this is product ID like this. For example, if we want to add the event ID name, we need to make another one. Just copy. We just need to make all the data layer variables. Okay, just hit the plus and hit again, hit data layer variable and input that, and it's a product name. Okay, like this. So I just don't want to show you to send all the parameter because of your time wasting. So I just made this to one as an example, and we need to, then when you have made all the parameters that are included here, then you actually need to make the trigger. As a trigger, we want to send the custom event, and custom event name will be that view item. Okay, just input the name here and save, and again name here and then save. So we have done. We can give a name like, so we can just paste the name here. Okay, so we have done. So our view item is ready. So if you want to make this all event for your all e-commerce event, for example, this all the event are required for important for our analytics setup. Okay, so if you visit my store, you will find the product GA4 e-commerce tracking for your Shopify store. You can try this one, and inside this product you will get access of this page, and including this product you will get a step-by-step tutorial like this. This is the all the process that I am showed already and published that on this video, and this is 100% done for you template you will get. So this is the template, this is the data layer process, and this is the done for you container. Just you need to download and upload it on your container, then you will get this complete setup. Okay, and this is 90 days premium support, of course. So if you get any error, or if by any chance it's not working for you, with 90 days I will give you the premium support. I will join with you and I will show you, I will solve your problem actually. And this is resellable, you can easily resell that. Okay, so that's mean if you want to buy it one time, and if you want to send it to your friend, or if you want to make money with that, you can make the same event, and with including that I will help you. And for helping, I will have added the cover photo Canva template, so you can edit this cover photo and you can change anything that you want, and I will give the marketing secret idea and more. So this is all included in a Notion template, which is this one. So if you want, you can try this one, and if you have any query, feel free to ask me, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, because in my YouTube channel I will publish this kind of useful video every day. So I hope that video will be useful to you. So guys, that's all that I wanted to show you today. If you found this video was useful, you can hit thumbs up, and if you want to see more video from me, then consider subscribing to this channel because it will help me to continue working on this channel. My name is Nasim. I will see you on the next one. Till then, bye. Have a great day.